How to make brochure in Canva phone. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Canva application. After that, you will need to use templates for brochure making. Simply go to templates, then search for brochure. You will get a bunch of brochures and then select brochure template. Now here you will find several templates. Simply select the one of your choice and then you can simply edit it using your details or your pictures. So yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.